ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ଦେଖିବେ ମଜାଦାର ଏଇ କାର ଭିତରେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଫିଲ୍ମ ରହି ଅଛି ଆମକୁ ଗାଇଡ୍ କରିବେ ମିସ୍ ନାନ୍ସି ଗାଇଡ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ମିସ୍ ନାନ୍ସି।
This is your cinema on wheels, you guys. Check this out. You can stand in it. You've got a massive screen here and tiered cinema seating. How crazy is that? All right. Look at this. Stand all the way through. Now, ceiling lights white. All voice control. Alright, come check this out, guys. Just the swipe of a finger. This is your command center. Or on the app on your phone. Are you ready for something else cool? I'm going to enter a password. Enter. Open. This opens to your safe. Put whatever you'd like in there, and you have dedicated PlayStation controllers. A little space for them in your safe. You have an espresso machine with all the bells and whistles here in the back, and watch the front. Another Nespresso machine for the front passengers. You've also got a fridge here. Nice. Wireless charging. You've got your tray table, one for each person. And it's so quick too. All right. What I love is you can convert this van any way you want. You can put a bed in the back, double bed, or you can have a seat that goes all the way back like this. How nice. Your glasses for the bar, and then behind you, check this out.
Wait, I gotta try this.
It responds so quickly. In here, you've got storage for your briefcase, and this I love. Of course, the all-important bottle openers. All curtains close. Success. So luxe. One piece of wood. It's all built from a yacht builder, you guys. This one panel of wood. You've got special soundproofing in the walls and round the back. This is where it gets super cool. Watch this. Take this on shoots with you. You have your closet. You bring down all of your t-shirts, your jackets, so you can get changed on location. And then you've got all of these drawers for your shoes, your jewelry, etc., etc. That's awesome. This is for sale actually at Alain Class here in Dubai. They can ship anywhere in the world if you're interested. Massive thank you to you guys.
Thank you Nancy. Thank you. Hello TV Kid Reporter Abhishek Kochi.